On the thrilling journey of entrepreneurship, managing finances wisely is crucial. Today, we'll share essential financial tips for beginner entrepreneurs. Let's dive in. Financial tips for beginner entrepreneurs. Tip number 1. Establish a solid budget. The foundation of sound financial management is a well-structured budget. Start by listing your monthly income and expenses. Set clear limits for each category and make sure to stick to them. Regularly update your budget to reflect any changes in your finances. Additionally, consider creating specific categories for unforeseen expenses and savings. Tip number 2. Separate personal and business finances. Keep your personal and business finances separate. Open distinct bank accounts to avoid confusion and facilitate accounting. This separation will provide you with a clearer view of income and expenses related to your entrepreneurship, making tracking and financial decision-making easier. By maintaining this distinction, you will also simplify tax filing. Tip number 3. Build an emergency fund. Emergencies happen, especially in the business world. Building an emergency fund is crucial for tackling unexpected expenses such as repairs, economic crises, or unforeseen situations. Ensure to regularly allocate a portion of your earnings to this fund and refrain from using it unless absolutely necessary. An emergency fund provides stability and peace of mind, allowing you to overcome unforeseen financial challenges. Tip number 4. Monitor your expenses closely. Efficient spending is key to the financial health of your entrepreneurship. Keep a detailed record of your expenses and regularly review where you can cut costs. Eliminate unnecessary expenses and look for opportunities to optimize your budget without compromising the quality of your products or services. Additionally, consider negotiating with suppliers for better rates and terms. Tip number 5. Invest in technology and automation. Technology can work wonders to streamline financial tasks. Invest in accounting tools and financial management software that can automate processes such as invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. This will not only save you time but also reduce human errors and enhance the accuracy of your financial records. Explore options like artificial intelligence and data analytics for more informed decision-making. Tip number 6. Plan for the future. Don't just think about the present. Plan for the future. Set short and long-term financial goals. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and consider investment options aligned with your financial objectives. Consult with a financial advisor to develop a suitable investment strategy for your situation and time horizon. Additionally, regularly review your goals and adjust your financial plan as needed. In summary, financial management is a key skill for any entrepreneur. Follow these tips, and you'll be on the path to financial success. Do you have any financial tips you'd like to share? Leave them in the comments. See you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media. Until next time, entrepreneurs.